well. It's so warm. September is a beautiful time to come to France. It's not busy, it's off season, and the weather is still pretty lovely. And this beach is basically called Little Tahiti. Little Tahiti. Absolutely stunning. Look at that coastline. Shall we go down to the beach, Bernard? It is a fabulous beach. Okay. Bernie's going for it. He's going for a dip. It's a bit chilly. Woo! Ooh, no. Oh, he's in. Dip. I'm soaked. My shorts are soaking. I should have brought my swimsuit like Bernard. Bernard's more organised than me. Ooh, it's cold on my legs. Does it? It says it goes downhill fast. Goes right down. You look like a dipping seal.
You've got my shorts in the water as well.
Oh, I haven't. Oh, I have. Oops, they're hanging off my. Oh dear. Only a little bit, just a little bit on the bottom. Oh! And that is France in September. Yeah, Berno.
Into the sun.
And I've got two hats on. I've got Bernie's hat and my hat.
Hang on, let's go down so the sun's not in. There was sun shining on you then. You might as well left the rucksack up there, I think.
Yeah.
Nobody will bother it. Give me hat back, you nutter.
Yeah, you got me flip-flop.
Yeah, you're wet.
I think I'm a bit wet.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh, lovely day on the beach. Oh dear. And that is Little Tahiti. What a stunning beach. Absolutely gorgeous. going to go up here and take my photo on a rock, because 8 years ago I was sat on a rock up here and had my photo taken. So we're going to go and do the same photo. It might have been longer. So I'm going to go and sit on a rock. I'm going to sit on that rock there.
First came in with a tent.
Yeah, the first time we ever came was with a tent. And then the next time we came we had a caravan. Gosh, that's a lot of years ago. But this bit has not changed at all. Beach is still exactly the same. Gorgeous. Okay, Berno, back to the van for some lunch. Lovely morning on the beach. Bye bye Tahiti Beach.